हमने किसी लोगों से पूछा what do you feel? They are saying we will sit, but how long can you sit? I would like to say that the government should sit and talk. They should sit and talk to the farmers. So प्यार से बात करना चाहिए, प्यार से. If you go with anger, it will go longer. ये labeling करना आप छोड़ दो. You sit as human beings, as citizens of a country. There is a solution for all the problem. So how we can solve this problem? We need people who can solve problem. One problem that I see is language barrier. So mostly the programs here they have in Punjabi. So we feel that if you can translate in different languages, so I think that would be a little more beneficial. कोई बोलते हरियाणा पंजाब में I heard and I saw also there is drug addiction in the youth. What is the root cause of it? उसके ऊपर हमारा चर्चा नहीं हो रहा है. गवर्नमेंट ऑन देयर पार्ट टेल इट इन ए प्रॉपर वे. इफ नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन, व्हाई दिस फॉर्मूला? आप बोल रहे हैं ना कुछ नहीं होगा, सो देन व्हाई यू वांट टू ब्रिंग दिस फॉर्मूला?
ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਹਰਜੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰ। ਦਰਸ਼ਕੋ, ਆਪ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਇਸ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਨੂੰ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੇਟ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਹਮਾਇਤ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈਗੀ। ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਭੈਣ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਕਰਨਾਟਕਾ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਨੇ, ਪੂਰੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਏ ਨੇ। ਹਸਬੈਂਡ ਬੈਂਗਲੌਰ ਤੋਂ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਬੈਂਗਲੌਰ ਦੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਨੇ। ਹੁਣ ਬੱਚੀ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਛੋਟੀ ਜੀ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਹਸਬੈਂਡ ਵੀ ਨਾਲ ਆਏ ਨੇ। ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਨੂੰ ਹਰ ਕੋਈ ਵਾਚ ਰਿਹਾ, ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ। ਇਸ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਰੰਗ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਪੀਸਫੁਲੀ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਸਟ ਆ ਉਹ कर रहे हैं। गलबात कर देना नाल। नमस्कार जी।
नमस्कार जी।
क्या नाम है आपका?
मोनिका।
कैसे लगा यहाँ पे आके?
अच्छा लगा। यूनिटी, बहुत यूनिटी है इधर लोगों का. सो एंड द अरेंजमेंट, पीपल आर वेरी सेल्फलेसली सर्विंग सबको, और इकट्ठे करके मतलब दे आर फॉलोइंग दियर लीडर्स, वट एवर द इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर गिवन दे आर डूइंग इट. सो इट वी फेल्ट वेरी गुड. एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी, अतिथियों को कोई भी आता है उनको बहुत अच्छे से देखभाल करते. सो इट वाज अ वेरी गुड पार्ट ऑफ इट.
जैसे आप कर्नाटका से हैं, चाहे हम बेंगलोर की बात करें या कर्नाटका की, क्या लगता है कि वहाँ पे भी किसानी आंदोलन को हमायत है वो मिल रही है?
या मिल रहे हैं. क्योंकि हमारे भी फ्रेंड्स इधर आए थे और उन्होंने भी अभी महापंचायत कर रहे 20 तारीख को. बेंगलोर से 5 to 6 hours जर्नी है शिमोगा one place. So they are having Mahapanchayat there on 20th of this month. So it is spreading slowly. The leaders are now moving out of these borders and they are going to different states, and they are making the people to understand these farm laws are not helping us.
प्रोफेशनली आपसे बात करें तो प्रोफेशनल क्या आपका, मतलब कि क्या कर रहे थे आप फिर पहले बेंगलोर या कर्नाटक?
मैं एक्चुअली प्रिंसिपल हूँ. हरियाणा में भी मैंने प्रिंसिपलशिप किया है. सो एज ए एजुकेशनिस्ट आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट इट इज़ नॉट ओनली अ place to ask for farmers repelling these bills. It is also a place where our youth also want to ask for jobs. हमारे यूथ के लिए जॉब चाहिए, हमारे बच्चों के लिए अच्छा एजुकेशन चाहिए. ओके, वी आर पेइंग द GST बट वी आर नॉट गेटिंग the benefits of GST. In other countries, when you pay the GST, they are getting tax benefits like they are getting education, the free education, free health facilities. Many things are coming out of that GST. But here we are not getting any of those facilities. So I think people are also voicing out many of the things. Now price rise of petrol का और इसका गैस का. So हमने महिला, we celebrated Women's Day. So in the house, if a lady is getting 5 to 10,000 rupees income, एक घर का income है, so she has to manage the whole family with that 3, 4, 5,000 food items. So now the cost is higher, so the woman suffers ultimately. So what I want to tell is the whole the government is not our enemy. They are Indians, we are also Indians. and the farmers are also not enemies of the government. They are also the citizens of our country. So we should sit together and talk in a peaceful manner without treating each other as threat or enemies. We are not enemies. We are fellow Indians, fellow citizens. So I see sometimes maybe the government treats the farmers as enemies. Sometimes no, they are not. They are doing something wrong. As well as the farmers are also sometimes trolling the government or doing something. So each other, that is becoming a fight. I think that fight should change into dialogue. बैठ के एक संभाषण तरीके से इसका कुछ ये निकालना चाहिए, समाधान निकालना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसे बैठने से भी क्या फ़ायदा है ना. सो अभी हमने किसी लोगों से पूछा what do you feel, they are saying we will sit, but how long can you sit? We can sit, okay, but what is the outcome of it? Okay, so anyway it is spreading, the awareness is spreading. And also I also came to know that MSP, the Kisan of this place, they are fighting for MSP for Bihar and UP also. So it is a good positive thing the Kisans are doing here, the farmers are doing. If no farmers, there is no food. So we need to understand that.
आप
And
कैसे इंस्पायर हुई और कैसे क्यों सोचा कि मैं मुझे भी किसानी आंदोलन में जाना चाहिए?
actually my grandparents are farmers. Okay, so we had a farming community. So we know what are the positive and negative effects of farming. Sometimes they have good crops, sometimes they don't have. They have to struggle. And I have seen also a lot of farming people, especially even the big farmers or the smaller little farmers. Everyone has their own sad stories sometimes.
कर्नाटका में भी एमएसपी मिलती है आपको?
है, but there is some problems. There are different kinds of problems in different states. So I would like to say that the government should sit and talk. The central government also and the state government, they should sit and talk to the farmers. We are citizens. We are not enemies. And whichever may be the party, political views, यहाँ वो नहीं आना चाहिए. हमें एक इंसान के तरह हमारे फार्मर्स को मदद करना चाहिए. ये हमारे सिटीजन्स हैं, हमारे देश के हैं ना. सो प्यार से बात करना चाहिए, प्यार से. इफ़ यू गो विद एंगर इट विल गो लॉन्गर.
यहाँ पे आके दुख हुआ कि जो किसान है वो अपने ही भारत के हैं और उन्हीं पर देखो आपने कैसे जब आए हो, आप दिल्ली से गुजरे होगे तो बैरिकेडिंग कितनी ज़्यादा सख्त की गई है ना. देख के क्या दुख हुआ या फिर किसानों के ऊपर ही ऐसी बैरिकेडिंग की है?
Whatever may be, I would like to tell also that whatever they do, the whole world sees. क्योंकि आजकल इंटरनेट का ज़माना है. So it will show. I would like also to say, by doing this, we are not doing any favor to, or it is not, maybe they did that thinking that farmers will not come. But it went as a negative news in the whole world. You are understanding my talk, right? I mean, as an Indian, they don't know which government is doing, why they are doing. But if a government is doing against its citizens something, in a democratic country, it goes very negative message. ना. So
डेमोक्रेसी तो दिख नहीं रही ना. आप तो देख रहे हो कि एक तानाशाही जो सरकार है वो चला रही है.
We can't say it is 100%. What I'm saying is, we have to love whichever government is there. We respect them. Maybe they are each. Say, for example, I have my views. You have your views. He has his view. He has his view. In a house, there are 4 children. 4 children have different views. है ना. आपको as a parent, you should respect each one's view, and you have to. You can't treat one child as an enemy. What is happening here is no one is sitting together and really सोच के बात करना चाहिए. I mean, we should think and speak. Now, simply speaking, simply emotionally going, that is also not good. Even for Kisans also, that is not good. है ना. So don't go emotionally.
यहाँ पे तो ऐसा भी बोला जा रहा है कि आतंकवादी बैठे हैं, ये कोई ऐसे किसान है गुमराह किए.
No, that I don't agree, because they are citizens. All of us are citizens here who are sitting here peacefully, and we are protesting peacefully, and they are good citizens. That's why they are sitting here from so long peacefully. है ना. इससे मतलब it is, we can't say that at all. Okay, even I don't like someone's opinion. If they are sitting in dharna, I can't say they are not good, or I can't label them something. No, if government is bringing some laws or you don't like, you can't label the government also. Stop this labeling. ये labeling करना आप छोड़ दो. You sit as human beings, as citizens of a country.
सरकार की बात करें तो वो कह रही है कि ये भीड़ है, भीड़ इकट्ठी करने से हम बिल रद्द नहीं कर देंगे, अगर शोध करवानी है वो करवा सकते हैं।
No, whatever may be the differences, मेरा कहना ये है कि whatever may be the differences, there is a solution for all the problem. है ना. वो problem का solution हम कैसे निकलें? So how we can solve this problem? We need people who can solve problem. है ना. So not that people who can create problem. There will be many 10 people, in 10 people maybe 8 people are there to create problem. One may be coming from some political background, one maybe want to show that he is a leader, another one want to show that his caste, another one to show his religion. Okay, each one has their hidden agendas, but keep it aside. At this time our farmers are telling something, listen. है ना. After these come afterwards. Our religion, our caste, our this, that comes secondary. We are citizens. Why these citizens of this type, so many citizens are sitting here? As a leader of a country, leaders of this place, I think they need to understand and they need to come and speak here. They need to come and dialogue. Even as they dialogue with the leaders, let the leaders come and dialogue with आम किसान also. What is your problem? Because
आप देख रहे हो कि जो भी लेडीज किसानी आंदोलन के लिए बोलती, चाहे वो रवि दिशा हो, चाहे नवदीप, जो भी अब तक आपने देखा है कि यहाँ तक कि जो चंडीगढ़ में आपने देखा होगा कि अध्यापक हैं जो एक बच्चे का भविष्य बनाती हैं, उनके ऊपर भी लाठीचार्ज किया जाता है, किसी पे पर्चे दर्ज कर दिए जाते हैं। कैसे देखते हो कि एक तरफ तो आपने देखा कि वुमेन डेज पे ये बधाई देते हैं कि ये हमारी महिलाओं के लिए हम बहुत खुश हैं कि वुमेन डे जो मनाया जा रहा है ना, तो एक तरफ उन पर अत्याचार किया
for this we need to it's a long, I mean ethically also our people should be sound ethically, है ना. Moral values are there, ethical values are there. So it's more than inculcating each one. We are elders, we should give good example to our children, है ना. So why it is happening now? We term some people of some places, they will say they are there lot of rapes are happening. In this place there is lot of drugs, in that place there is lot of flesh trade. Okay, some places, you know. So why what is the root cause? हम ये नहीं सोच रहे हैं. हमारे बच्चे अभी कोई बोलते हैं हरियाणा पंजाब में, I heard and I saw also there is drug addiction in the youth. What is the root cause of it? उसके ऊपर हमारा चर्चा नहीं हो रहा है. What is the value system हम build कर रहे हैं बच्चों में, है ना. What is the value system we are building in children? हम कैसे तरह उन how we are showing them love. Love is not that you provide everything to a child, no. You give time to your child, you also give good example to your child, then only your child will grow in that. Why children take drug? Why they want to forget the reality? Drugs they take to forget the reality. हमारे टीनेज बच्चों को रियलिटी को फॉरगेट करने का, why they want to forget reality? Why presently वो लिव नहीं करना चाहते? कुछ उनके दिल में दुख है ना. Why we don't want to listen to our children? Root cause, हमें कभी भी ना superficially as a educated people at least we should go deep. Root causes, we have to find out what are the root causes. Now here the mohol here, the environment I see as a fear. People are have fear because in these 3 farm laws they have inserted Land Reformation Act. Land Reformation Act. So what happens is, automatically people thought, my land will go, my children will not have land. So how the government will convince these people that your land will not be lost? So we need to think deeply, not superficially. Okay, we will do this. We will. No.
आप कर्नाटका से आए हो, यहाँ पे बोला जाता था कि ये पंजाब और हरियाणा का ही आंदोलन है ना। लगातार देख रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र से भी आ रहे हैं, बेंगलोर से और भी कई जगहों से यहाँ पे आए हो, तो सरकार को क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे आप?
This MSP comes under, minimum support price comes under state government. It is not of the central government. It doesn't have any part in it. When the farmers of Haryana, Punjab and so on came here, they spoke about this MSP and they are getting minimum support price better than other states. So when the farmers, now there is social media, okay, there are medias and people have a lot of YouTube channels these days. People watch many news. So they are also getting educated that they are also asking for their rights. They are getting, why not me? Okay. They are getting 2,000 rupees minimum support price in Punjab. Why we don't have here only 800 rupees in Bihar or 1,000 rupees in Bihar? Okay. So the farmers started thinking now. So this thinking will change. Okay. So whoever may be one who becomes a leader, leadership is for service. Leadership is for listening to people. They should listen to people. They should serve people. That is our request, as we are all very, हम आम लोग हैं. We are all simple people. So we are requesting that the government on their part, please listen to the people. Listen to the people and find some solution and explain how it is not harmful to the farmers. एक्सप्लेन करके उनको कन्विंस करना कैसे ये हार्मफुल नहीं है. If you want to do amendment, they are saying amendments, we will not, your MSP will remain, उसका कोई ये नहीं है, so you will not lose your land. But tell it in a proper way. If nothing is going to happen, why this formula? आप बोल रहे हैं ना कुछ नहीं होगा. So then why you want to bring this formula? Then there is no need of this formula, right? Yeah. So that is the thing I want to ask.
मोनिका जी, हम देख रहे हैं कि इस किसानी आंदोलन में बेशक बाहर के स्टेटों में कुछ लोग आ रहे हैं, लेकिन हमें लग रहा है कि कोई दिक्कत ऐसी यहाँ पे आ रही है. आपको लगता है कि क्या दिक्कत है यहाँ पे, क्यों लोग अच्छी तरह पूर्ण तौर से नहीं जुड़ पा रहे?
One problem that I see is language barrier. In India, they say around 1600 languages are there. So mostly the programs here they have in Punjabi, or few people speak in Hindi. So they are not able to understand maybe the intensity of this Andolan. They are speaking something, but language barrier is there. So we feel that if you can translate in different languages, what is your opinion and what is the opinion of the government, what is happening. So I think that would be a little more beneficial in making the people to understand it, because it is not only regarding these 3 formulas. There are so many problems of Kisan, suicide, farmer suicides. They are not getting, there are barren land, sometimes there are so many.
ਅਗਰ ਇਸ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਨੂੰ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਟਰਾਂਸਲੇਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਪੂਰਨ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ
Yes, they will come together and they will fight for their rights also, because everywhere there are different problems of farmers. Okay, so they will also get inspired why you are also doing here. So bhasha very very important, and especially the vernacular. उनका मातृभाषा में बोलना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ऑल द रूरल एरिया, रूरल बेल्ट उनके भाषा में ही समझ सकते हैं, है ना. So I think that one thing should be done. And another one point I want to say is our youth. All our citizens, as a citizen, I should think that what is the future of our youth. There is no, as a educationist and joining with so many educational groups, and by being the private school association, private school and children welfare association joint secretary of Haryana, I know that our children are studying. We are encouraging them to study. They will study. They are writing many competitive exams. They are getting into that. But after studying so many years, when they complete their graduation, their competitive studies, they are around 25 to 26, 27-year old. Even after that, they are not getting proper job, and whatever amount they spend in education, they are not able to regain that money. So parents are getting disappointed, children are getting disappointed, they are getting into depression. Okay? So many farmers here whom I met, they also said the same thing. Their children are educated. One of the farmer told me he has done his PhD in engineering. But after that also he is not able to get any government job. He is trying from nearly 7 years. 7 years he is trying for job. Even private job he want to do, but whatever he spent, he is not able to get that type of salary in that job. So how are we going to create jobs for our youngsters? Okay? So creating jobs for our youngsters is very important, and stopping this brain drain. अभी हमारे बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, बाहर जाना चाहते हैं. This is called as brain drain. So the cream of our society is going out of our country. So I think we need to in a way give opportunities for our youngsters to do their own entrepreneurship, to do their own, not only giving to some companies help. You should give to most of the youth, should get this benefit from the government to do their own startups, do their own business and come up in life. And India is a beautiful country, so our youth should remain in India. They should not run away from India, and they should work for the betterment of our country.
ਸੋ ਦਰਸ਼ਕੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਸਟੇਟ ਤੋਂ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਇਸ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਹਮਾਇਤ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਕਰਨਾਟਕਾ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਭੈਣ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਨੇ ਪਰ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਾਥ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਮੰਗਾਂ ਉਹ ਜਲਦੀ ਹੀ ਪੂਰੀਆਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾਣ ਤੇ ਹੱਲ ਹੋਵੇ ਇਸ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਦਾ। ਸੋ ਬਣੇ ਰਹੋ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਇਸੇ ਹੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਦੀ ਅਪਡੇਟ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਰਹਾਂਗੇ। ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਲਈ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਦਿਓ, ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।